This is the world's first Kung Fu Panda created by literally just typing words. This idea has been on my bucket list for 3 years, and today I'm gonna exactly tell you how it works, how to make it, and what does this mean to us. Okay, so for the past 20 years, if you want to 3D print something, then you had to go through years of uni, spend thousands of dollars to get an education and learning CAD software. But what if I told you you don't need it anymore? And or you need to pay someone to do that who already went through that torture. But what if I told you you could literally describe anything in English and the AI will create it for you? This is called Adam.new. They're going to Y Combinator batch 25, and it's so revolutionary that it's basically like going from sending letters from horseback to sending emails. And I thought, what better way to test this mind-blowing technology than creating the most iconic martial art character of all time. Once that was done, and now we just need some 3D printing magic. And to do that, I need to get myself to uni with a 20-second travel montage.
Enchanté.